Hi, my name is Bob Garvey. I'm an attorney with Thomas Garvey and Garvey. We are a firm of three lawyers, Dan Beck, myself, and Jim McKenna. All of us limit our practice to personal injury litigation, which includes the topic that you've chosen, which is automobile accidents. Automobile negligence law in the state of Michigan is fairly complicated because we have no fault, what's called no fault. So I'm going to make it I'm going to make a extremely complicated topic extremely simple and invite you to call us or to come in so that we can peg the details of your case with the Michigan law and give you answers that are totally fit your case, all right? But just in general, the average person that gets in an automobile accident in Michigan who is injured has two claims. They generally, not always, but generally will go to their own insurance company. Let's say I'm insured with AAA, State Farm, auto owners. I get in an auto accident. It doesn't matter who is at fault. I could be speeding 90 miles an hour in a 40 mile an hour zone and hit a tree. I'm entitled to three benefits from my own insurance company. So even though I'm at fault, I'm entitled to medical benefits for the rest of my life. In a very serious injury case, that's a godsend. Medical benefits for the rest of your life. If you need someone, even a family member, to take care of you at home, the insurance company has to pay them a market rate to do that. So many of our clients who have had really, really serious injuries, brain injuries, paralysis, that has been literally a godsend to them. For the rest of their lives, they don't have to worry about medical. Second benefit is wage loss. That's paid for up to 3 years, 85% of your gross weekly wage. It is then non-taxable to you, but it is capped. And I'm not going to get into that now, but you can come in and because the cap changes every year. The third benefit is household services. So if you're injured in an accident and you would normally cut the grass, clean the gutters, cook, do laundry, and you can't do that, your own insurance company, without regard to fault, will pay you up to $20 a day for up to 3 years. It's capped at 3 years. All right, so that's your first case. The second case that you have does depend on proving fault. So if another driver is at fault, you are injured, you've gotten your no-fault benefits from your own carrier, you can now sue the at-fault driver for what's called non-economic damages. So that's pain and suffering, mental distress. In a wrongful death case, it would be your loss of society and companionship of a loved one. Those are all non-economic damages. They're not medical, they're not wage loss, they're not services. In addition to those non-economic damages, if you're involved in an accident where it's someone else's fault and you sue, you can get excess wage loss. Remember, I said under no fault, from your own carrier, you only get the first 3 years. The case against the at-fault driver, you can get any other economic damages that you've lost. So wage loss in excess of 3 years. Your medicals are already taken care of, so that's not part of that lawsuit. And household services beyond the 3 years, or if they're more than $20 a day. So to make you whole, which is our job, following an auto accident, you probably have two claims. One against your own carrier for medical, wage loss, services, the economic damages, and then you have a separate claim if someone else was at fault and you were fairly seriously injured. That's called a third-party lawsuit, and we can help you with that as well. Like I said, all three of us are available to help you with that. We've had a lot of success. If you look in the verdicts and settlements, you can see the type of recoveries we've had, either by going to a jury or by negotiating with insurance companies. And we believe that by going to jury every once in a while and proving ourselves, you benefit by better settlement because they respect us and they think twice about lowballing us in terms of the value of your case. So thank you for visiting this section of the website. I know that was a very brief discussion of a very complicated topic, and whether you have a serious injury or not a serious injury, we're more than happy to spend the time with you, either by phone or in person. So we look forward to seeing you. Thank you.